Hello everyone, I'm sitting here with Dean Guida, CEO of Infragistics. Tell us a little bit about enterprise mobility.
Thanks, Jamie. Well, enterprise mobility is certainly getting all your devices connected to the data in the enterprise, but mobility is much more than that. Everyone's running around from conference room to conference room with their iPads and their tablets and their phones, and so mobility is actually just the new computing device, how people are getting work done. And so what we're doing is we're unlocking all the enterprise data, documents, social collaboration, and creating analytics and doing it securely to allow today's worker to be more productive with their touch devices.
That's amazing. So not only is it secure, but people are able to go anywhere they want to go and pull it up on any device they have.
Yeah, it's a work anywhere world. I mean, it's certainly mobility was going to the coffee shop or traveling around and being on airplanes and working, but today mobility is just working everywhere, which is a good and a bad thing, but working everywhere, whether you're conference room to conference room, you're at home, you're at a hotel, you're at an airport, but really we just need to be connected. And so enterprise mobility is getting all your existing assets and data and information and collaborating with your teams and having access to that. And that's what Infragistics is doing, is really providing that capability in an app.
Making lives more productive. Now tell us a little bit about why Infragistics is the place we should go to get this app.
Well, we have a huge heritage, or a long heritage, in user experience and creating easy to use, memorable, functional pieces of software. And so we have a development tools background and a user experience background where we build tools and tools for designers and developers to build great user experiences. And so we took all of that experience and the talented people at Infragistics, and we created apps to build on, and be native on Android, iOS, and to have that kind of ease of use and that good experience, but then opening up to a business type functionality and business application.
That's amazing. How about Report Plus and Share Plus?
Share Plus is a native client on Android and iOS that front ends SharePoint as a starting point. And so it'll mobilize all of your content in SharePoint, get all the lists, the social interactions, enterprise search, and do it natively on the device. And what's nice is we've allowed extensibility to it, so you can create these kind of portals, these dashboards where you can aggregate information. If you're a sales team or you're an HR or wherever you want, you can kind of create a easy to use portal through the Share Plus and have your users easily find information, easily get at documents, collaborate with their peers through a kind of social stream and do it all securely.
Tell me a little bit more about Report Plus.
Well, Report Plus is a product that we came out and integrated into Share Plus that allows you to create dashboards so that you can keep a pulse on your business and look at performance indicators and PKIs. And what's really unique about Report Plus is that the access it has to all the different enterprise data sources. So whether you're looking at data in your Oracle database or in your financial system or in your CRM, we're connecting to Salesforce.com, your social streams, Twitter, Facebook, analytics, Google Analytics. We're connecting to your cloud storage, to big data, Hadoop. And so we have a whole set of enterprise data sources that's getting at SQL, OLAP, social streams, and analytics, and we're bringing it all together in a really easy to use dashboarding tool that lets you look at all these important enterprise data, and we're able to join the two, which is really unique technology our guys did, where we can take your financial data, join it with your CRM data, join it with your actual data, and kind of look at these different data sources joined together and get a really good picture of how your enterprise or your company is performing. And we've integrated it all into Share Plus so that the two work together. So you're getting all of your online, offline access against your files, and now you're doing analytics and dashboarding. And then we make it really easy to share that data, so you can quickly maybe email a chart or email a dashboard to a colleague, comment on it, or create a PowerPoint quickly from your dashboards and do a presentation to your customer or to your team. And so Report Plus gets at all your enterprise data sources, gives you real-time dashboard access, and then allows you to share and collaborate around it.
Who are some of your clients?
We've actually attracted some pretty big labels, some pretty big Fortune 100. So Eli Lilly, Merck, Roche, some of the biggest pharmaceuticals, their sales teams are using it. Then we also have Merck. We've got over 40,000 seats down at Merck. We've mobilized them. Coca-Cola, Target, World Bank, NATO, PwC, a lot of top brands have relied on us. We proved out the security, and we've mobilized their workforces.
That's amazing. A lot of companies becoming more efficient because of Infragistics. We know that Infragistics is the pioneer. What's next?
Well, we're fortunate to have such a huge customer base, over 1 million users using Share Plus, and so we're getting lots of customer feedback on what's next. What the enterprise really wants is they have so many custom workflows and a lot of data, sometimes not so well organized. So extensibility is huge. So we've created this programming API that our partners, ourselves, or the customer themselves can create these custom workflows and automate that more into our application. So extensibility is really how to grow and leverage the assets and information already in the enterprise. And the thing that you can always improve and we'll keep working on is the user experience, just making it delightful to use, easier to use, and make the experience fun and productive. Improve the data visualization, improve the navigation, and stay up with all the different new devices as well.
So what's coming up in 4.0?
Well, in 4.0 with Share Plus, we've created a launch pad so you can navigate to a kind of a portal on your device and customize your navigation, your landing page, and how you go and view and navigate into your information. We also added the APIs so that our partners, our own service team, and the customer can customize anything they want within our application. So the great thing about that is you get an application that's fully tested, secure, runs, and now you can customize it. That's really big for us, and that's coming in 4.0.
Thank you so much, Dean. For more from Infragistics, go to our YouTube channel.